Okay.
Perfect.
Oh.
Now you want to, and that's the challenge, is to get your foot planted just
You got to
right.
be in the center?
Yes,
Okay.
yeah, with equal amount of toe and heel hanging over.
Okay. Is that right?
Perfect.
Okay.
So you just stand there, you don't have to do
And this is how
anything.
you turn this way.
Yeah, if you want to steer it. Yeah, initially it's probably, you go against that wall and you come all the way around.
And how do you propel it?
You push your back foot against that back wheel. Yeah.
Ouch.
And then the way you dismount is just both toes down.
Oh.
Good job.
Fun.
Five.
Yay.
Bird.